If you are watching this video right now, chances are you are looking for a good way to make money online, right? But I want to tell you something. I want you to watch this video with a positive mind. Do you know why? Because at the end of the day, your positive mind is going to determine how successful you are, alright? This website gives you the opportunity to watch YouTube video online and be generating money. I know it sounds too good to be true, but don't worry. If you stick around to the end of this video, you're going to be at the point where you can be making some real money out of this website, alright? And most importantly, I want you to have a positive mind throughout this video. If you are from America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Oceania, this is the best opportunity for you, alright? This website doesn't segregate. No matter where you come from, you can get started from this website and start making money right away, guys, alright? And the most interesting thing about this website is that it's actually free. You don't need any investment to get started. You don't need any monthly bill to get started. All you just need to get started is an access to the internet, a smartphone or a computer, and you're ready to go. Alright, so there's nothing that should be holding you back from this video for not making your first dollars live. And this website that we're talking about today is called Add Me Fast. If you heard of it before, don't worry, don't click off. This time around, you're gonna make money from it. But if it's your first time seeing this website, pay good attention. Alright, this website gives you the opportunity to watch video online and get paid. Alright, I know it sounds too good to be true, but don't worry, you will see it yourself. It gives you the opportunity to watch video online and get paid, alright? But that is not the only thing you can do from this website. You can follow people from Instagram, you can like Facebook page, you can like people tweets, you can follow people on Twitter and still be generating money from this website. So there are a lot of things you can do to be generating money from this website. If you don't like to watch video, you can do the Instagram stuff. If you don't like the one of Instagram, you can do the Facebook way. There are various ways that you can use to make money from this website, alright? But before I can show you how it works, we will need to create an account, alright? Doing that is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is to hit on this button right here that says register. Click on this button, then this page is going to pop up. Alright, it's pretty straightforward. Put in your email address here, put in your password here, repeat the password and click I'm not a robot and then sign up. That is it. It's very easy. It doesn't require lots of information to get started. Then after that, they will send you an email for verification. Go to your email address and verify the link. If you don't see it on the email address, you can check your spam folder and you're going to see it there. Alright, and once you see the email address, just click on the link and your account is going to verify. Simple as that. Alright, but since I have an account already, I'll just go ahead and log in, okay? And once you log in, this is going to be your home page. This is how the home page is going to look like, alright? If you use the link in the description of this video for register, they will give you 200 points to get started. Don't worry, those points, we're going to be using it to generating the real money, alright? Before we go further, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up so that it will be pushed out to more people like you who are looking for different ways to make money online. Right at the left corner right here are the basic way that you can use to make money from this website. Add Me Fast, okay? Starting from Facebook post share to Telegram channels, Instagram followers, Instagram likes, TikTok's followers, TikTok's video like, Twitter's followers, YouTube subscribes, YouTube's like, YouTube views, Twitch follower. There are various ways that you can use to make money here, alright? Now let's assume you want to use Instagram to make money here. Alright, you cannot use Instagram followers or Instagram like. Now let's assume you want to use the Instagram like. All you need to do is just to click on the button, right? And when you done that, this page is going to pop up, okay? If you click on that button, you will have the Instagram post right here at the left corner, okay? But here they are saying I need to log into my Instagram account. Now I will log in, then we'll be back. So I just log into my Instagram account. Now if I hit on like again, the post is going to pop up right here. All you need to do is just to like the post, alright? Then after like 2 seconds, you have to close it by yourself. It's very important. You must close it by yourself because doing that, they will know that you are not a robot, okay? If you leave the post to close by itself, they are not going to pay you anything. They are not going to give you any point, alright? But don't worry, all these points, we are going to turn into money. Now I'm just showing you the basic way how it works, okay? And once you've done that, you will come here and click on this button and say confirm, okay? When you click on the confirm, the points is going to be added to your account, alright? If you check here, you see that I'm having 419, okay? This one is another post again that's going to give me 70 points just to like the post. If I click on the button, this page is going to pop up right here. All I need to do is just to click on the like button, just like that. Then after 2 seconds again, I will close the window. Then I will hit on confirm. Now you will see my points is going to be added. You've seen it. That's how you're going to be doing it. That's for Instagram. That is the same way that you are going to be doing all the whole task from this website. Add Me Fast, alright? If you want to use the Twitter, it's the same thing. You can either do Twitter follower or Twitter like right here or Twitter retweets. Anyone you choose, you are going to be giving points that you're going to be turning to money at the end of this video, okay? Like this one right here is Twitter like and it's going to give you 3 points. But if you want the point to go high, we're going to use the YouTube one. Don't worry, we'll get to that later. I just want you to know how it works. If you also click on the Twitter follower, you're gonna wait here. You're gonna be given 70 points just to follow anybody on Twitter. Okay, let's assume you want to follow anybody now. If you click on this button right here that says follow, the window is gonna pop up just like the Instagram one, alright. All you need to do is to click on follow. Okay, wait just a second and make sure you close the window by yourself. Alright, you close the window by yourself, and here you have to click on the confirm button. Now you can see our points jumped up. Alright, that is where you're gonna be doing it. That's for the Twitter part. Alright, if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel, I teach people how to stay at home and make money online, and I would like you to be part of the family. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video like this on how to stay at home and make money online, you'll definitely be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And when you're the first person to be notified, you know what that means? It means that you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to make money with the video. Alright, so subscribe to this channel and stay tuned so that you don't miss out on anything. If you click on the YouTube like right here, you'll be given 6 points for liking the YouTube video. Alright, if you click on this button right here, just like the Instagram one, a window is going to pop up right here with the video. Alright, all you just need to do is just to like the video right here, okay, and close it. Any of these social website that you click on, always make sure you read what is written here. Alright, now if you want to watch YouTube video, all you need to do is just to hit on the button, also click on the YouTube video. Alright, just wait for this. I'm not a robot, but this website is so secure, they don't want robot to be performing the task. Alright, just click I'm not a robot and solve the captcha. Here it says the captcha of the boss. Right, next, capture our boss again, verify. Now you can see that for you to view this YouTube video, you'll be given 40 points. Alright, if the point is not so high, you can also skip the video. Here you'll be given 12 points. If the point is not so high, you can also skip the video. Here you'll be given 28 points. Alright, first thing I would like to show you here is for you to view the video. Let's view the video for you to see. The button is gonna pop up. Okay, now this ad, you can wait for the ad. You can wait 5 seconds and click on skip. When you start watching the video, there is a time here that will be calculating. Alright, you can see this time is calculating. So you're gonna watch this video for 120 points. That's like 2 minutes. Alright, you can let the video to run in the background. Doesn't mean anything. This is the video right here. You can let it run in the background and be doing all that stuff. Alright, so I will just wait for this video to play, and once it meets the threshold, now it's 120. For a confirmation, for them to know that you are not a robot, they will ask you to orientate this image. Alright, just click on the image the way it should be according to you, for them to verify that you're not a robot, and hit on submit. Alright, they say it's not clear, you need to do it again. Yes, then this already upside down, it's gonna be like this, then resubmit. That is it. So I will advise you to make your point to be like at least 1,000. The more points you have here, the more way you're gonna turn it into cash. Alright, you can have 1,000 points here under 1 hour. You can have 2,000 points under 2 hours. If you do it for straight 1 hour, you're not going to regret, because at the end you're going to turn it into money. Okay, now that you know how it works, how everything works, how you can maximize, how you can view, now let me show you how you can turn this point into real cash. Okay, and doing that, we are going to a website that's called player.com. Once you are here on player.com, all you need to do is to go down to a place where it says other games/marketing. Alright, just click on it. You're gonna be on this page. All you need to do is to click on the letter F. Okay, we're gonna use Facebook as an example on how you can be cashing out the money. Okay, here click on Facebook, then you're gonna be on this page. When you are here, what you need to look for is Facebook like. Let's, for example, because this is not the only way you can cash out your money, but for the simple form, let's just use Facebook like. Okay, and when you search for the Facebook like, you're gonna see it right here where it says Facebook like for sale. Alright, just click on the button, then you're gonna be on this page. Okay, once you are here, you will see that this one is selling 100 Facebook like for $10. This one is selling for $10. This one is selling for $100. This one is selling for $25, $20, $100. Okay, so you are going to be replicating the same thing and be generating this type of money right here. Alright, now I know you might be wondering, how am I going to be selling the like? I don't have Facebook like. Don't worry, what you need to do is to go back to Add Me Fast right here and click on this page where it says add. Alright, when you click on this page I say add, you're going to be on this page. Since we are going for Facebook like, you just leave it right here, Facebook like. Okay, and here if you want to choose a specific country, you can choose a specific country, but just leave it worldwide. All right, the title is just for you to keep the track to know what is it, because I'm not going to be selling only Facebook like. All right, you can write FB or anything of your choice. Okay, the page URL is going to be the page of the person, let me say your client, that you're going to be selling your Facebook like to. All right, when you have it, you can paste the link here. Now for the total click, you remember I said you can make your point to be at least 1,000 or 2,000. The more points you have, the more money you're going to have. Let's assume, for example, you have like 2,000 points right here. For you to have 2,000 points from this website, it's going to take you like 2 hours. Okay, in 1 hour you can have 1,000 points. 2 hours you can have 2,000 points. Okay, let's assume you have 2,000 points. You come to this place and switch it on. You will set your total clicks to be 400. All right, and daily click you can say 100, 200. Let's say the daily click, it should be of the same day. Always switch it on. I want it to run just for a day. Okay, just put it 400. If you put 5 points per click and you do the math, like this 5 points times the total click, which is 400 times 400, you're going to have 2,000. That is going to be the total points that you have, 2,000. If you don't want to make it to be 2,000, you can make it to be 1,000. All right, and once you've done that, you're going to hit on the save change. All right, and then you go back and create a listing right here. Okay, if this guy right here is selling 200 Facebook like for $20, since you have 2,000 points, that means 400 Facebook like, you can sell your 400 Facebook like for $40. All right, that is just in 2 hours. That means in 2 hours you are making $40. The more time you put into it, it's going to be the more money that you're going to make at the end of the day. All right, in 2 hours you are making $14. In 1 hour you're making $20. That is more than a 9 to 5 job, bro. If you do it for 3 straight hours, you're going to have 3,000 points. It doesn't compulsory that you must make it $20. You can even make it $50 per 100 clicks. Do you know why? Because yours is not going to be robot, yours is going to be genuine. All right, but the best way to maximize the point is by watching YouTube video. Watching YouTube video is going to give you more points to all of that task here. All right, this YouTube views is going to give you more points. You can see here 22 points, and if you choose only YouTube, in 2 hours you're going to make more than 2,000 points that you'll be selling in player.com. So if you feel like you don't like to make money this way, it's too technical for you, if you click on this video right here, it's going to show you a different way and different strategies that you can use to make more money online. All right, so see you next time when we post another video on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.